Good morning, everyone. It is Tammy, and it is Monday, and I don't even know the date. I was going to tell you, but I have no 20-something, I think. So, whoo-wee. Getting back to normal, I'm hoping now. I know I've said that, it seems like the last couple of weeks, but I really do pray that this is getting back to normal. So let's see, the weekend and the funeral. So my cousin passed away, and we had his funeral last week, and it was actually very nice. It was good to see my uncle and my aunt, and it was nice. We had a couple memories shared, and it was good. So, and my uncle said that he thought that it was one of the nicest funerals he's ever seen, if not the nicest. So to me, that did it, as long as he was happy, and I don't know, it was just as good as it could be. So there was that. And then, let's see, this weekend, it seems like we did a lot, and I really wanted just a calm weekend, but I don't feel like we had it. Maybe we did, and I just my head has been in such a crazy, place that I haven't calmed down yet. So that's part of why I'm looking for normal. But let's see, Saturday, what did we do? We ended up, Katie and I went out to lunch. We had sushi. Dennis went to his aunt's house to help her with something. So Katie and I went to get sushi, and we went to a couple of little boutiques, and we got Starbucks, and that was just fun. It was just good girl time. My son has been MIA for the last couple of weeks. Not really. I know where he is. He's just been hanging out with friends and working, and he did work for his last night. But it's true. He did his last deliveries last night, because he goes to school on this Sunday. So it is coming up very soon, and I'm hoping to get some squeezes in. I know I will, but I don't know how much quality time I'm going to be able to spend with him between now and then. And I think, in all honesty, I kind of think he's doing it a little bit on purpose, even though he would probably never admit it. I think that he's trying to draw back a little bit just so it won't make it such a hard transition for him. And that's okay. I'm trying to let him have his space and do what he needs to do. And I understand, and I try to be very understanding about things, and I know that he loves me, and I know we're in a good place, so I'm okay. It's just hard. So there's that. And then Saturday night, well, that's not true. Friday night, we saw The Equalizer 1, because Dennis had said he wanted to see The Equalizer 2 at the movies over the weekend if we could. And so Friday night, Katie and I, and Dennis too, watched The Equalizer, and it was really good. I was surprised that I liked it as much as I did. But I love me some Denzel. He is such a good actor. Goodness gracious, he's good. So we saw that. And then so Saturday evening, we went to see The Equalizer 2. I'm trying to make sure I'm telling you guys, and not that it matters exactly, but I'm making sure my days are right. And yes, it was Saturday night, because yesterday we did something else. So we saw that. What did we have for dinner that night? I know we got popcorn, and we had the reclining chairs. And the reclining chairs aren't so comfortable, at least not at this place. I don't know. I wasn't real comfortable in them. I had to keep moving around. It was hurting my hiney. Goodness. I don't remember what we had for dinner that night. I know we had Mexican that's what we did. We went to Mexican before the movie. That's right. So we had dinner before the movie, because the movie was at 6:40, and we went and ate dinner at 5:15. That's exactly how we did it. So that was nice. And I had a chili poblano. Oh my gosh, those are amazingly good. and I had a chili poblano and a taco, but I couldn't eat my taco, and I didn't even finish the chili poblano. So my restriction is still there, which is great. I mean, not that I questioned it, but just letting you guys know. And so then Sunday came around. Dennis ended up going back to his aunt's Saturday after the movie to finish up this closet piece that she has, and he's trying to help her get it completed. So he went there on Saturday night after the movie. So he didn't get home until I don't know when on Sunday. I went upstairs to bed. I'd fallen asleep in my chair prior to that, but I didn't go upstairs until about 1:30, and he was not home. So I don't know when he got home, but he got that done, at least done as much as he could, because I know that he still wants to put, or she still wants him to, and he still wants to put trim around it, but they didn't have the trim for him to do, so he couldn't finish it completely. But he got as much done as he could. And so there was that. And then so Sunday came. Yes, Sunday morning I woke up really early. I didn't get too much sleep Saturday night myself, but I woke up really early and, you know, got ready and all of that, and then I knitted some, and then we went to church, just Katie and me, because I tried to get Dennis up and he did not want to get up. So I let him sleep because I don't know. I didn't know what time he got in. And I know that church is important, and I know he likes to go, and he's upset if he sleeps in, but I didn't know. So he didn't seem to even stir when I tried to wake him. So I thought I'll just let him sleep. So Katie and I ended up going together, and then we picked up some lunch at Panda-Express, and then came home. And Dennis's family was having a cookout at a park yesterday, and it was one of those times that I just did not want to go, because, you know, you really get to surround yourself with people that you want to surround yourself with, and you really get to, I mean, time is precious to me, and especially after having suffered the losses and doing all of that. And honestly, and this is probably going to sound a little harsher than I mean it to sound, but I love his mom, and I love his dad, and I love the people in his family because I want to love everyone, but they aren't people that I would choose to spend my time with. And so it's hard for me. And being an introvert anyway, it's difficult for me to spend time. I mean, it takes a lot of energy for me to spend time with people, especially people I don't know very well, or, you know, whatever. That's people, you know, crowds, I guess I should just say. It takes a lot of energy for me. And I did not want to expel it yesterday because I knew that, you know, it's been a hard couple of weeks, and I just wanted to stay home. But I didn't, because I wanted to support my husband, and it is people that he loves, and, you know, so and I'm not saying that they're not good people. I'm just saying that they aren't people that I choose to be around. And, you know, that's all I'm going to say about that. And it was difficult, and I did it, and, you know, okay. And then we came home, and I was ready to be home. And we watched a really good movie on Netflix. It's called Brain on Fire. I think that's the name of it. If you guys have Netflix and you want a good kind of a movie, you might want to check that out. I mean, it was, I think, an hour and a half long. It wasn't a very long movie, but it was good. And so that was nice. I like to kind of unwind on Sunday nights. I don't like to have a lot going on Sunday nights. I've never been like that. So thank goodness we didn't have to be late at the cookout. We got home, I don't know, probably about 6:30. So it wasn't too bad. It was still light outside, which is nice. And we were able to watch a movie, and I was able to knit and just kind of unwind with Katie and Dennis. Alex had to work last night, so that was all good. And then I ended up going to sleep around 11 and then woke up and here I is. So yeah, Alex got home about 11:30. He texts me when he gets home, which I am grateful for. And I actually heard him come in yesterday, so that was nice too. But I'm proud of him. He's done a good job of working, and he likes to work. I think it's building up his work ethic and his he's beginning to learn that things cost money, and it's a lot different when you have to pay for it versus mom paying for it. So I think that he's learning to appreciate that a little bit, which is life lessons, man. So here we are today. Today is Alpha class. I'm hoping that we go. I'm looking forward to going. So we have that. And I don't even know what's happening for the rest of the week. I haven't really checked into it or looked into it much. I usually, by this time, have looked at my week to kind of see what I have coming up and what's going on. I have not done that. I did look at my day to see what kind of meetings I have on my calendar at work, but that's the only thing I've even kind of prepared for. So it should be an interesting week. I want it to be more normal. I hope and pray that it settles down a little bit. But that's where I'm at, and I will let you guys go because I am almost at work. Well, getting close to work, and I would like to get this uploaded and posted today so you guys will know where I've been and what's been going on. And I think you probably already do, but just to get this week started on a good note. So, one great thing is the gal that I work for, or that works for me, her name, I'm not going to share, but she had her baby on Friday the 13th, and this baby is so cute. Has a full head of dark hair, which is funny because she does not have dark hair, and it is the baby is adorable, and she's just the cutest little thing. So happy birthday to her, and congratulations to my friend, and I'm just so happy for you. I know, and she doesn't watch my videos. She doesn't even know I do these, but I'm happy for them. So I will talk with you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. I may share some pictures of some goofiness here at the end. Bye-bye.